In this video, I'll show you how to schedule reports to be automatically sent to your clients by email. From the Email Sharing tab, click on New Email Report. You can create multiple reports, whether for your clients or for internal use. Start by selecting the brand. This will be either your client's brand or your own, as long as it has been previously created. Next, choose the dashboard that will serve as the template for the report. Set the reporting period to match your client's needs. Then, select the appropriate time zone to ensure the report is sent at the correct local time. Now, configure the recurrence of the report. Start by choosing how often you want the report to be sent, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly. Then, specify the exact day of the week or date of the month, depending on your selection. Finally, set the time of day when the email should go out. This allows you to align the report delivery with your client's schedule. Add the recipients by clicking the Add Email button. A new field will appear where you can enter an email address. To add more recipients, simply click the button again and enter each additional email one by one. There's no need to create separate reports. Everyone added here will receive the same email on the schedule you've set. Click Save. Your report is scheduled, and emails will be sent automatically.